This video is brought to you by MathGalaxy.com and is a preview of the SAT Math substitution strategy, where you choose numbers for variables to turn problems into arithmetic problems. It can be used on any of the SAT math topics, arithmetic, algebra, or geometry. There are 4 to 10 problems per test where you can use it, which is 10 to 20% of each test, so it's a good strategy to know. The strategy can be used on multiple choice questions with variables in the question and answer choices, or on multiple choice and gridding questions that ask for relative amounts, such as ratios. The strategy is to choose numbers that meet the conditions of the problem, solve it as an arithmetic problem for a numerical answer, and for multiple choice, substitute your chosen numbers into the answer choices until you get a match to your answer. In grid-ins, you don't have to do the third step. Let's take a look at an example problem. Here you bought B books, paying P dollars for the first K and R dollars for the rest. What was your total cost in terms of B, P, K, and R? If you want to try this on your own before looking at the solution, you can pause the screen now. Okay, first, let's choose some numbers. Let's say you bought 12 books, paying $10 for the first 5 and $8 for the rest. So we have different numbers for each variable. We didn't use 0 or 1. Okay, and in terms of problems, if you cross out the in terms part, generally those are variables you want to choose numbers for. And what's left becomes the arithmetic question. What was your total cost? So let's calculate that. So $10 for the first 5. And then $8 for the rest. Well, out of the 12, we paid for 5. So the rest is 7. So our total cost was 50 plus 56, or 106. So that's our target. Here we're going to go through these systematically, but on the test, if you have an idea that one solution is more likely, you'd go to that first. Okay, so let's look at A. P is 10 times B. Okay, well that's already too high. Next, P times K, 10 times 5. Okay, that looks a little like our arithmetic solution. Plus 8 times 12. 96 plus 50, too high. And also note here that you're paying for the original 5 all over again. Since the PK looks promising, let's go down to D. So that's 10 times 5 plus 8 times 12 minus 5, which parallels our arithmetic solution, which is 50 plus 56. So that's our answer. So again, it isn't a gimmick, because the answer that's true in general also has to be true for any specific numbers. This has been a preview of the SAT Math substitution strategy in algebra problems. If you want more practice, you can find the full video at kirklick.com. So good luck with the tests.